this is part 3, and as far as I know, the final part of these roof leaks. So if you've been sticking with me, you know the front leaked. Well, this is the rear. It's the same issue. The grommets, the center grommets had failed, and it would leak through the grommets. Now, I think that there was so much gunk. This is my theory. There was so much gunk and dirt and grime that it filled that pocket that it didn't leak. So you can see what I did is I cut very carefully with my Dremel tool. I was on probably like 12, maybe 15 max, sometimes 10 across. I would make like stripes and then try to cut it. And I cut all the way back at an angle. To give you an idea, that was a brand new tube earlier. I used it on, that was the rear only. So I would buy two, it's, I don't even remember what the brand is called. I bought it at Advanced Auto Parts, RTV. So that's about the size. That's my Dremel tool that I use. This thing has been awesome. The Dremel 4000. There's these tips, metal, easy lock, 11 or 1.5 inch. It's always good to keep a lot of those on hand. Sometimes it's really good to even save the smaller pieces because you could use them in tight spots. You can see there's the spot for the screw. There's the spot for the back end. But you can take a look. Let me try to get some more light. I can't tell you the amount of gunk and crap that is inside this. If it's your first time doing it, you're going to see dead bugs, flies, all types of like just mud and gunk. So cut out from all the way right here, back down. And I piled that stuff on high. I mean, I squirted it probably from right here all the way back. I put the nozzle down there as best as I could. I'm looking at it again now, and just keep piling it on so you never have to do this again. Good luck.